So, plan today is to compost the raised beds, plant some potatoes, and do some stuff in the polytunnel there. So polytunnel, plant potatoes, compost. So there's the three things I'm planning on doing today. So let's see how we get on. So in this one here, I'm going to let these asparagus go in this pot here. They're meant to spread a little bit. So yeah, we'll see how these go. No one has done it before. That's interesting. Somebody's been around with a fresh cigarette butt. Unusual. Alright, these stones out. Put these asparagus in. Never tried these before. These are from home base. So yeah, I've got no idea what they're going to be like. I know obviously asparagus takes a while anyway. So you can take the crop for the first couple of years or something. If they've never grown before. Yeah, harvest time April, June, the second year. So the second year sprouting, you can do these. So it comes with a handy little measuring tape there, 20 centimetres deep. It's got to be. So give these a go. That's going to get shoveled. Be quicker. Okay. And that's got to be about 20 centimetres. Yeah, that's right. Lock this in, I suppose. I've got two there. Lock this one in. Yeah, it says 30 centimetres apart. About here, I think, would be about right. We'll put the other one. There's one over here. Goes back over. I've used it for a couple of years. Make sure my brush doesn't blow away. Asparagus. What's it called? Pacific purple. And on the back, 2nd of March 2024. I'll put here, ready, March 2026. There's a bit of an investment there. That's in there, 2026. Right, so I'm going to crack on with these other ones and I'll bring you back. I'm going to run out of time. Just going to cut the top of the bag and then that way I can use this as a rubbish bag later. I've kept all of these. These are quite thick, good plastic for rubbish. Right. 2 bags there, 2 bags there, quite a few bags there. More compost needed. I'll probably only need move that one over a little bit, about this level, because obviously they're going to sprout off, and then so I want to give them some room. So I've got some more in the bag there, so I'll put them. So I'll give these a cover up. So they're covered in. So I'm going to crack on with the other stuff, the other potatoes. Then I'll bring you back. So just about finished off for the day. Final roundup. Didn't get to do the polytunnel, but what I did manage to do was the asparagus down here, the wildflowers I did this morning, parsnip and carrots I did underneath the cloche over there. I filled this bed up, done that bed, and I've done this bed here. I've put some sowed some garlic in there, and also asparagus there. And then the big things was the potatoes. I've done early lates there, and some more early lates over there. And I've got my main crop, which I'm contemplating where I'm going to do. I might do them there, I'm not too sure. Or I might do them over there actually. We'll wait and see. Yeah, so that's the update today. Got 3 or 4 things done. Swapped the polytunnel for another thing, so that's my compensation there. But yeah, I'll bring you back on the next update. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers now, bye bye.